In this video, everything you need to know how to replace inner and outer engine air filters on Kubota skid steer loader. We're working on SSV75. Without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. Let's check the parts first. This is an inner filter I got from the dealer. There's a part number. I also will put the part numbers down in the description below under the video. And this is the outer filter element. I got it from the local Kubota dealer. And under the hood we have a reliable V3307 Kubota diesel, 3.3 liters. Beautiful engine. Keep it happy, keep it lubed, keep it clean. And replacement interval for the air cleaner element number 10. Beautiful idea to put a sticker with the required scheduled maintenance number 10, and we just going to follow the line, and we have to replace our filter according to the recommended specification every 250 hours. Yes, and yeah, that's what it is. I like the idea. Let's do that. Okay, first, before pulling everything apart, let's just use a shop air and just blow all that road grind, all the dust, whatever is sitting on top of the engine around the air filter housing. Just keep it clean. Took us less than a minute. Nice. Okay, here's the air filter housing cover cap. Let's release those retaining tubs. As you can see, there's a metal retainers. Unlock those ones and pull it out. There's the evacuation valve. As you can see, a little bit of dust inside, and there's where the dirty air is coming in. This is the outer filter, and we have fleet guard, which is not OEM. As you can see, there is a part number. Let's take it out. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, appreciated that, and click that notification bell. That way you won't miss any videos. I'm uploading almost daily. Alright, we're almost ready to put a new one, but I like to clean the housing inside. Frank, window cleaner, yeah, any soapy water will do it. And wipe. Put a clean filter in a dirty housing, just wipe it. And as you can see, I still have my inner filter in. Yeah, let's just wipe it a little bit, keep it clean, keep it nice. Yeah, if this video is helpful, informational, educational, interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciate that. Alright, this is our OEM Kubota inner air filter. You never clean that, you always replace. Let's wipe a little bit more dust. What's there? Nice. Yeah, cleaner filters means your engine will run longer, breathe happier. Guys, this video is only for demonstration purposes, how I do it. I know there's a million ways to do the same thing. If you know a better one, let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, let's see how many hours I have. I have 1926 hours. That's what it is. And I'm going to record that number as well. I put it on my filter just in a minute. Alright, a new filter we have straight from the box, and as usual we're comparing to the filter we had installed, made in Mexico. Alright, as you can see, they're identical, just the different colors. Yeah, compare the diameter just in case. I know 9 out of 10 it will fit, but yeah, before you stick it in, compare. Yeah, and let's do the same thing for outer filter element. Big boy. Yeah, nice and clean. OEM Kubota filter. As you can see, same diameter. Yeah, Kubota part. And yeah, one is dirty, one is clean. Here we go. Nice. easiest thing to do is replacing your filters. I also have a video how to do an oil change on this skid steer. Check it out. I'll put a card down in the description. Over there you will see, and I'm writing hours when I change the filter. That way I know every time I clean it when it was done. And I also like for my personal records to write a date when it was done. 2025. Here we go. Beautiful. All right, and I will just put hours on this one. Here we go. Inner filter is going first. As you can see, it will go all the way inside the housing and will stay. That foamy rubber gasket will make it seal, and that's it. As soon as it's fully in, it won't go anywhere. Good. Now we're ready for outer filter. Same way as we removed. Yeah, everything's simple, straightforward when you know how to do it. And maintenance is a king. It goes a long way. Take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you when you need it. Okay, filters are installed in a filter housing, but we're not done yet. I'll show you a few things we have to do. Yeah, let's check the gap. Yeah, it's fully in, sealed. Beautiful. All right, not done yet. Very important part is evacuation valve. Your filter won't work properly if you have a debris stuck at that valve. Just a rubber valve. Clean it. I have a video about that evacuation valve importance. We'll put it over there. And as well, let's clean our cap. Yeah. See, it's a bit dirty, but why not to clean it? I like clean, and I keep it things clean much as I can, of course. Okay, yeah, wipe it out. Takes few seconds. Guys, if you like a video, you always can buy me a coffee if you want. I will put a link down in the description below. Here we go. All right, almost looks like new. And if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, recommendations, concerns, thoughts, ideas, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Will be interesting to read. Okay, clean enough for me. Then that doesn't need to be washed. Okay, let's put the evacuator valve back in place. Here we go. All right, and let's put this guy back. Clean, good to go. Check it out. Usually one of the most ignored items. All right, we're putting the cap back. As you probably noticed, we have a labeling on the caps in top, and the evacuator valve should look down. Yeah, it goes like that, straight and easy. All right, press it in, line up the tubs, and now we can close our retainer clips. Here we go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video to the very end. Appreciated that. And yeah, as I said, it's saying top and evacuation valve facing down, clip, another clip on the side, latches behind the lip, and it will stay there. Nice and easy access, simple job, everyone can do it. Yeah, well, take care everybody, and we'll see you next one. By the way, I have a video how to do the oil change. Yeah, I will put the card there. If you like it, go and watch it. Bye bye.